Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Hotel Oceania Charles de Gaulle one next to the airport. It's a very nice area, very nice hotel as well. This is the hotel room itself. I'll just show you around. You get TV. Obviously we've been using it quite a lot. We've not called the cleaning in for the past day and a half, 2 days I think. So that's why you got the stockpile of stuff there. There's my shoes. I've got the stool there. You get a phone with it. Let's have a look around. This is just stuff. Very nice, crisp. This is the lamp. This lamp actually came broken like this, so that's one of the bad sides already. And I'll show you. You got this lamp here. This lamp actually didn't work when it first came, but now it does. They came replaced it hardly without us knowing. But yeah, it works now. But it's a very odd because it's out of colour out of all the rest of the bulbs, because that's yellow colour here. It's a bit white there. This is full on blue, like a whitish blue colour. It's just very odd. It doesn't match the scene. I think they just put in because why not. Okay, so this is the shower itself. So as you can see, there's me on the camera. You got a nice shower. Not shower, the sink. I don't like the actual sink itself because it gets very dirty no matter what you do, even no matter how much you clean it. Right here you get shampoo and body wash or whatever you want to call it. And then this one, they give you a couple of cups as well, which is being used obviously. Got some towels, get a hairdryer, tissues in there, but that finishes very quickly. Probably need to change that every day or two. Got a up close mirror. You got the mirror with the light on, which is very nice. As you can see, you got nice textures and stuff. This is the shower itself. You got the overhead shower, normal shower. That's got 3 different settings, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so when you're done with your towels, you have to throw in the shower itself, so then they know how to take these. They're clean. They're dirty. They know that it's dirty and they can take it. Like if I leave it there, they won't take them once. Like I use that one to clean the floor. When you come out of the shower, you leave a mess here from the water that it drips. And yeah, even says it there. So far this hotel's pretty cool, I like it. I'll definitely stay here again probably. This is a heating rack, clothes rack, as you can see. And yeah. So one of the major downsides of this shower itself is it's completely see-through. Like if you're staying with your cousin like I am, and you're both guys, it's a bit awkward. If you're with your partner, it's not a problem. You can get 2 single beds and a normal double bed, but it's upon availability for them. So if they don't have you available, you're gonna have to share. That's a problem. Okay, so the hotel itself cost £300 each, which is £600, which is £75 per day. We stayed here for 8 days, so it's quite expensive. It's a 4-star hotel. It's decent. You have to give a €300 deposit down before you come. Well, when you come on arrival, so you're gonna have to bring your card with you. You have to give the deposit to, if you break anything, you pay for they'll take out the deposit, stuff like that. And if you overstay, then they'll have to take out that deposit as well. Okay, a few positives of this hotel is it's close to the airport, which is also a negative as well, because it's far away from anything. To get to Paris, it takes about 2 hours by train, public transport basically. If you get a taxi, it's going to cost you quite a bit as well, nearly €80 to €100, because it's very far away. But the one benefit of that is you get free shuttle from here to the airport every half an hour to 15 minutes, depends which days it is. Weekends is every half an hour. Monday to Friday is usually every 15 minutes. But you can get room service, which is quite expensive, but it's worth it. Some would just say, I'd say it's alright. There's free Wi-Fi included in the room. But the signal's quite low in the floor that we are at. You get free TV, which only has 5 UK channels, which is not that good. I would have preferred, it's not even the right 5 channels. If they had film for something like that, like some English sort of movie type thing, that would be good. But instead they have Channel 5, BBC 1, BBC 2, CBBS, and
Channel 5 star.
5-star, which is not, it's not the best selection, because you want to watch a movie or something, there's nothing on. There's the TV. The pool is amazing. You get a free air conditioning in the room as well, which can make cold, hot, whatever you like. You can make it as cold as 16 degrees, but sometimes it cuts out at night time. The temperature automatically changes sometimes, which I don't like. I think they do a central control with that over the whole hotel when they try to save energy. So you get a safe as well, which I'll show you in a second now. So this is the safe itself, but you need batteries to operate it, which is not included, and quite expensive if you're going to get them from the airport.
Would you like to show us, sir?
So the batteries are quite expensive if you're going to go get it from the airport, which is the only place you can get it. One of the main downfalls of this hotel is there's nothing in the area, literally no shops, nothing. The only thing I could find was one pub that was running. There's a few takeaways and stuff, but they're all bankrupt and closed down, which is not that good, to be honest. The whole area just seems a bit run down to me. We went exploring, we couldn't find anything, literally nothing. And yeah. Okay guys, you get a hotel phone, which you can ring the reception with, the bar, police, whatever you need. And you can actually ring your normal house and thing, which they'll connect you onto, but it will cost you. The room is quite spacious, as you can see. The hotel lobby is very spacious as well. The whole area is very spacious, I like it. It is a bit overpriced for £75 what you get in, because they should include some other stuff like slippers, bathrobes. They should be included for free, but they don't. You only get that for upgraded rooms, which is a bit odd. And these rooms are not soundproof, which is a bit of a problem. It says it's soundproof, but they're actually not soundproof. I think the hotel itself is soundproof, which is good because you can't hear any planes flying overhead. There's lots of power outlets, as you can see. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, pretty much all around the room. There's a daily cleaning service, but you have to make sure you don't have a do not disturb sign on your door. But they do tend to come up to very early hours, which is why we miss it a few times. They come around 11ish and then stay around till 12, half 12. Depends how long they take cleaning all the rooms on that floor. You can access all the lights to this room on this one bedside, which is good for night time. Turn that off. Turn these both off. As you can see, full top. All of this access to this one switch here. All the power goes out once you take the key card out, but they only provide you with one key card, which is quite bad. We've had to get an extra one. They do give that for free, but they should offer it in the first place. If there's 2 people, they should offer 2 key cards, because if one leaves the room, they have to depend on the other one to open the door. And it's quite hard to hear sometimes when you knock. There's a fish tank downstairs, which you will see in my tour video. There's a free sauna, free gym. The sauna is called a hammam, which is Turkish bath basically. Sauna is called a hammam, which is a Turkish bath. It's very nice. I don't like the smell inside. It's like a weird smoky smell, which is why I can't stay too long in there. You get a free gym, which is quite small. There's not many equipment, but it is there if you need it for fitness while you stay here for a few days. There's a free PC that you can use for you to check your YouTube. If you're running a business, you can check it on there. It's not very secure, but it's there, I guess. It's there for you to use if you don't have a laptop or anything with you. You can use it for your bookings and check your tickets and stuff like that. The staff are all friendly here, but not all of them can speak basic English, not even hello, hi, any of that, but most of them can. Alright, some of the downsides, another few downsides I'll tell you. The beds are quite creaky, which is a bit odd. There's a bit of dust collection in this corner, which nobody ever seems to clean. The bulbs I've already spoken about, and the lampshade there. The laundry costs money, which I thought should be included, and it is a bit overpriced. To wash a simple t-shirt is €14, which is overpriced as fuck. You can literally, this suit here cost me €30, guys. For double the price of that, I could just buy a new suit every day. They offer overpriced buffet. That's all I can say. The buffet is €17. It's all you can eat, but the selection is very poor. It's mainly all pastries, which is what?
You gotta say that it's only breakfast.
Okay. The buffet is only breakfast. It's overpriced, €17. There's a very small selection. It's mainly pastries, and that's to save them on money, because meat costs a lot more than pastries, obviously. So the only meats you get, there's nothing halal as well, by the way, guys. So yeah, the rest of it, there's very poor selection, I'd say. So I'd say to stay away from it. I wouldn't bother paying another. It's another £160 above to add on for free buffet for the whole time you're staying here. There's not much in the surrounding area. I think I've already said this, but there's literally nothing in the area. You have to travel out to get anything. To get basic food and stuff, you have to travel out to the airport. From the airport, we went to a town called La Cono, which has everything. Very good town. My uncles live there too, so very good town. The vending machine has very poor selection. The restaurant, there's no restaurant in this hotel itself, whereas other hotels do have it. This hotel lacks basic foods. We had to go to the hotel next door to it, which is called Nomad. That's a really good hotel. The staff are very, very friendly. Understand English fully as well. I really like the hotel. They provide crisps and stuff, everything there. Sandwiches. This hotel lacks all that. They don't even have that. The only thing you can get from this hotel is basic drinks, and by drinks they're overpriced as well. But you can get basic drinks and snacks like chocolate. That's about it. Okay guys, the pool towels are not always checked up on. Like, they always run out and nobody changes them. You have to go nag them for it. That's a problem. They should be checking that constantly. The person who's cleaning is usually same guy usually as well. He never checks it. That's a problem, because we had to stay in the pool for another half an hour just waiting for some towels, because you can't really go out because the main lobby is right there. There's a problem with the hot water as well. Sometimes it runs out, and once you ring up about it, they say it's completely normal, which doesn't make sense to me. There's small bins, as you can see. As you can see, there's very small bins, so it runs out. Okay, the last pet peeve I have is the room service that you pay for the food and stuff. You have to do that all at the end, so you have to budget that in. You can't. We were ready to pay at the door, and they told us he just went. So we rang up and they said you pay at the end of your stay. So if you're staying a long time like we are, 8 days, and you order room service on the first day, it's hard to remember that you ordered that. So we've written it all down, because we ordered room service twice, which is €30 each. It's €15 for one cheeseburger.
Frenchy burger.
Frenchy burger, that's what it's called. It's basically a cheeseburger. The bun is basically hash browns. Very nice. But for €15 it's a bit overpriced, but that's how you can expect it. So yeah. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Check out my other videos. I really enjoyed my stay here. It's worth it, I guess, to try it out if you like it. It's definitely one of the high-end hotels in this area, or in the whole of Paris, to be honest. The only one rivaling this at the moment, I'd say, is the Hilton Hotel, because nothing else can beat it at the moment. I've been to a few of them. There's no chance you can beat it. But yeah, there's a few things this hotel can work on. So I'd say come check out this place if you like. It's very decent, and like I said, there's a hotel next door to get your snacks and food from, so that's no problem. If this hotel's lacking, it is something they can work on. And there's also a restaurant next door to that other hotel, but that's a bit overpriced as well, and the staff are not always friendly to outsiders. Like, not, we're British, so they're a bit iffy with us compared to the hotel staff. They're very friendly. Nomad hotel staff, very friendly. The drivers for the hotel shuttle bus, very friendly. Then you got the restaurant there, not as friendly.
Rude.
Yeah, they're quite rude. But yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.